Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something creative and fun to share with you. Look at this stunning paper craft, a handmade floral wreath with vibrant colors and intricate details. Isn't it amazing? In this video, I'll talk about how you can make one of these step by step, along with some tips to unleash your creativity and make it uniquely yours. So let's dive into the beauty of crafting. This wreath is a perfect example of how simple materials, like paper, can be transformed into something beautiful. The vibrant green flowers, yellow centers, and the delicate white cones combine to create a harmonious, elegant look. For me, crafting is not just about creating decor. It's about channeling emotions and making something personal. I drew inspiration for this piece from spring gardens and festive garlands. It's simple yet elegant, and the best part? You don't need expensive materials, just a little creativity and patience. To make this floral wreath, you'll need colored paper, scissors, glue, and a little time. Here's a quick breakdown. Cut out flower shapes from green paper and roll. Yellow strips for the center spirals. Attach them together to form the blossoms. Fold white paper into cone shapes. These add a charming contrast and texture to the wreath. Attach the flowers and cones onto a circular base made of thick paper or cardboard. Let your creativity flow. You can add ribbons, glitter, or even more paper elements to personalize it. And don't forget the hanging elements at the bottom. They add a dynamic feel to the design. Crafting like this not only decorates your space but also brings a sense of accomplishment. It's therapeutic, eco-friendly, and makes for wonderful personalized gifts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, projects like this wreath are perfect for all skill levels. You can even turn this into a fun group activity with friends or family. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give this project a try? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like a detailed tutorial or have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, follow, or subscribe. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!